Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best chess sets that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a casual player, a seasoned strategist, or simply looking for a gift for a chess enthusiast, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Juegoal 20-inch portable chess and checkers set. This budget-friendly option is perfect for players on the go and those who appreciate versatility. The set includes a 20-inch rubber mousepad chessboard that rolls up easily for travel, along with 32 chess pieces and 24 checker pieces, making it a great 2-in-1 set. The board meets U.S. Chess Federation and FIDE requirements for official tournament use, and the extra queens and checkers provide added convenience during gameplay. The design emphasizes portability, with a lightweight yet durable rubber mat that lays flat on any surface and resists scratches and stains. It comes with a canvas storage bag that holds both the board and pieces, making it ideal for outdoor or indoor use. While the materials aren't as premium as wooden or acrylic sets, the practicality of this set shines, particularly for kids, families, or casual players. In terms of value, the Juegoal set is unbeatable for the price. It's an excellent choice for beginners or anyone looking for an easy-to-carry set for picnics, gatherings, or travel. However, the lightweight construction and basic pieces may not appeal to those seeking a luxurious chess experience. Overall, this is an affordable and functional set that's perfect for players who prioritize convenience over aesthetics. At rank number 4, we have the Ammeris magnetic wooden chess and checkers game set. This 15-inch set is crafted from high-quality solid wood, featuring spliced grids in natural wood tones for a visually stunning board. The chess pieces and checkers are handcrafted from wood, ensuring a premium feel and flawless detailing. The magnetic feature keeps the pieces securely in place, making it ideal for travel or games in moving vehicles. The folding board doubles as a storage box, helping you organize the pieces neatly while also making the set portable. This thoughtful design is perfect for families, kids, or beginners who want a durable and easy-to-transport chess and checkers set. The 3-inch king size offers a comfortable grip, and the inclusion of 2 extra queens adds a nice touch for more advanced gameplay. While this set is a step up in terms of aesthetics and build quality, the magnetic pieces are slightly lighter than non-magnetic weighted options, which might not appeal to traditionalists. Overall, the Ammeris set strikes a great balance between craftsmanship and functionality, making it a solid mid-range choice for players seeking a versatile wooden chess and checkers set. At rank number 3, we have the Huego magnetic wooden chess set. This 15-inch set features a walnut and maple chessboard with beautifully handcrafted pieces in the Staunton style. The folding board is compact yet sturdy, with brass hinges and closure snaps that ensure durability during travel. The magnetic pieces are weighted and feature felt bottoms, preventing scratches on the board and offering a stable playing experience, even on uneven surfaces. The storage box within the folding board is lined with foam inserts to securely hold each piece, keeping them organized and protected. The chessboard's smooth finish and wood grain add a touch of elegance, making it not just a playable set, but also a decorative item for your living room or office. The inclusion of 2 extra queens is a thoughtful addition, catering to players who follow advanced rules. The Huego set stands out for its excellent build quality and portability. However, the magnetic feature might not be as necessary for those who rarely travel with their chess sets. This set is perfect for tournament players, learners, or anyone looking for a stylish yet functional chess set at a reasonable price point. Ranked at number 2 is the Kinta's 15-inch large chess set, a premium option designed for players who appreciate elegance and craftsmanship. The standout feature here is the weighted acrylic chess pieces with a zinc alloy core, offering a luxurious feel and excellent stability. The 3.5-inch king and chrome-finished pieces exude sophistication, complemented by a smooth leather base that protects the beautifully marbled wooden board. The folding board is portable and includes individual slots for each chess piece, ensuring secure storage and easy transport. Its durable construction and polished finish make it a centerpiece for any home or office. This set is ideal for adults and families who want a premium chess experience, whether for casual games or more competitive play. However, the Kinta set is slightly heavier and less travel-friendly than simpler options, making it better suited for home use rather than frequent outdoor activities. If you're looking for a stunning, high-quality chess set that's as functional as it is decorative, this one is a fantastic choice. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the VAMSLove chess set, large 16-inch folding wooden board. This luxurious set features weighted acrylic chess pieces with a zinc alloy core, providing a high-end look and feel that rivals traditional wooden sets. The 3.5-inch king size is perfect for easy handling, and the leather base ensures smooth movement without scratching the board. The 16-inch wooden board is beautifully crafted, with divided storage compartments for the chess pieces. The folding design adds convenience, making it easy to store and transport. What truly sets this set apart is its attention to detail and stunning aesthetics, making it a functional piece of art that complements any home or workspace. While the price is on the higher end, the VAMSLove set justifies its cost with premium materials, thoughtful design, and exceptional craftsmanship. It's ideal for serious players, collectors, or anyone looking for a gift that truly stands out. If you're seeking the ultimate chess set for both gameplay and display, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.